What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin's following our WXY wave count. We're currently sitting at 26.8, down almost 2% on the day. Seeing market cap of 518 billion. 24-hour volume 12.73 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here. So there's two scenarios for our wave Y, because what we're looking at is we came down in an ABC, in a W, we ABC'd up into an X, and you're looking to ABC down into a wave Y. So I'm going to move this over and we're going to drop the wave so it's not as distracting. I don't think this leading diagonal in red is likely anymore. It's looking more likely we're going to come down in this pattern. So two scenarios for the ABC within a WXY are ABCs. So you have the ABC into a W and ABC into an X. I just have to quickly plug in my Mac because it's telling me low battery. And we're back on The Price is Right. Come on down. So what we're looking at, there's a couple of scenarios. It could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete the A. Because we did reach the 1.618 extension for a wave 3. The other scenario is that this small little 5-wave move is to complete because within a wave A are 5 waves. And that's your A right there. Wave B, and then you'd see a straight drop down in a C. I think that's a little bit less probable because we're oversold on the hourly and we are getting close to being oversold on the 4-hour chart as well. And we have support. So there's support here, support back here. Obviously there's a level of support down here. And let's see if there's some, yeah, there is some here if we scroll back. Anyways, and this trend line as well. So watch about 26.3K could offer a bounce to push up in the wave B. But if we just sell off rather quickly, then look at that previous scenario of this being the B wave high and a straight drop in a C. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, we are trending towards oversold on the RSI, on the money flow. On the daily, I mentioned closing above the daily EMAs, the 20 and the 55 would be a bearish signal. And we closed 1, 2, 3, 4 days below, and now we're seeing that continuation down. So I do think there's a high likelihood of us coming down to the bottom of the support of this falling wedge. DXY is following our wave count. Now there's a couple possibilities here. What we're looking at is a wave 5 to take you up to 105, as we mentioned in the previous Bitcoin video. Now we could see the breakout from here, or what you're looking at is an ABC correction to complete the 4 before pushing up in the 5. If this scenario plays out on the DXY, that's when you're going to see likely to see the bounce in the wave B. But of course, if we just see a straight breakout for the DXY, then we push up to 105. Then you could see that straight drop for BTC because it's correlated. When the DXY is increasing, the price of Bitcoin is dropping. When the DXY is dropping, the price of Bitcoin is increasing. All right, gang, so that's what we're looking at for our friend BTC. Smash the like button if you got some value. We're currently in 3 trades. You can get 30-day free trial to my signals analysis if you sign up to Bickit or Bybit. Grab those bonuses, watch my full-length tutorials, and then just email me or sign up email. Takes 2 minutes, 30-day free trial to my signals. Crypto news, member profits, HODL alt plays. One of our members crushed it on our sand trade, up 208%. Love to see it. Someone else crushed it on sand too, right here. Yeah, so we gave that signal in the Discord. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You really can't beat it. Sign up through the Patreon link, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.